In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the Metis token on Coinbase. So what we need to do is log into our account, and if you don't have an account yet, then sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you have done that, log into it and you will arrive at this homepage. The next step is to go to the search bar, and there we will search for Metis. And as you can see, the coin is over here. Select it. And now you will open a price chart over here. We can also select different time frames to see what this coin has done in the past. And after that you can scroll a little bit down, click on read more to read more about this project. As you can see, there is also a white paper available and of course the official website of this token. Now once you have read all through that, then we can go to the stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply and all-time highs. Now, the next step is of course buying this token, and we got some trading options over here. We can buy, sell and convert, and for now we will select the buy option. Once we have selected the buy option, you can click on the order type. And there are two order types available. A one-time order, that is a single order for the current market price, or a recurring buy order. And that is basically if you would like to use the DCA strategy. Then you can set up automatic purchases on a daily, weekly or monthly base, and you will be buying the same amount of crypto every day, week or month. Now for now we will select the one-time order, and after that always check if you have selected the right coin. Of course we search for it, and now you can fill in the amount we would like to spend. So let's say 1000 euros. Now select the payment method by clicking on it and choose the one you prefer. If it's not over here in this list, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have added the new payment method, just select it and go to review order. Now the next step is a useful tip to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. Every trade or order you place on Coinbase, you are paying a transaction fee. As you can see, for this order it is 38.37 euros. But if you use the Coinbase One subscription, you will pay no transaction fees on orders up to 10k a month. So you can try it out for free for 7 days. Definitely try it out. And after those 7 days it will be around 25 euros a month. So with only one trade you are already making profit on this order. And once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!